Hello friends, this is MD Fayyum. Welcome back with a new video to all the viewers from JILT Academy. Today I am going to discuss about ground floor plan and first floor plan with the dimensions of 6.09 by 15.24 meter, that is 92.8 meter. The dimensions are calculated in the feet 20.52 by 51.50, that is 1054 square feet plan. So it's a very small area and we have adjusted very nicely with car parking 1 BHK. So let us move towards the ground floor. So this is the ground floor entrance is available. We have provided 10 feet gate here. When we enter, you can see on the left hand side a lawn and a veranda of 1.20 meter is available here. Lawn is also having a good dimension, and here the porch area is available. Porch is nothing but the slab will be coming towards the end, and if rain or any other reason also the water will not fall into the ground. So the porch is having a dimension of 3 by 5.8 meters. So now I am entering into the entrance. So here we have provided one door. So here we have entered, and this is the first drawing room of dimension 3 by 4.87 meters. So here you can view we have plotted sofa set along with the teepie. On the right hand side you can view there is a dining table of 2.74 by 4.46 meters. So it is also sufficient area. Now in the left hand side you can view a common toilet is available of 1.90 by 1.50 meters. So from here I am moving towards the master bedroom in the ground floor plan. So this is a dimension of 3.35 meter by 3.96 meter, very sufficient area, and we have plotted here wardrobe and LCD, and a bed is also plotted. And now I am coming back. You can view there is a kitchen of dimension 2.40 into 3.96. So from kitchen I came outside. I have entering towards the upstairs. So this in the ground floor it is very comfortable of 1 BHK, 1 bedroom, hall and kitchen. Now I am moving towards the first floor. So here the staircases are available. So I have entered here, and you can find the staircase is having a vast lobby. So here in the right hand side you can view there is a terrace is also available of dimension 3 by 3.96 meters. So now let us see the bedroom. So here the bedroom is having a dimension of 3 by 4.26, where we have plotted bed along with wardrobe and LCD. I am returning back. So you can view there is a dressing room is also provided by 2 by 1.50 meters. So this dressing room is attached with a toilet of 1.60 by 1.50 meters, and for this we have provided one duct also here. So now I am returning back to the lobby. I am entering to the another bedroom of dimension, that is 3.35 meter by 3.96 meter. So you can view there is a vast area is available. You can move towards the upstairs also, and here also from this you can see from this side you can also enter towards the dressing room, and a toilet is available of dimension 2.40 by 1.50 meters. So here actually it is entrance is available. So friends, if you like the video a lot, I request all the viewers kindly like, share and press the bell icon to get the further notifications. Thanks for watching.